OnePlus 9 Pro. OnePlus 9 Pro smartphone runs on Android V11Q operating system. The phone is powered by octa-core, 1x2, 84 GHz Creo 585 and 3x2, 42 GHz Creo 585 and 4x1, 8 GHz Creo 585 processor. It runs on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 875-7nm chipset. It has OnePlus_9_Pro_Silver_256GB 12GB RAM_SGN, 12GB RAM and 256GB internal storage. OnePlus 9 Pro smartphone has a Fluid AMOLED display. It measures 165.3mm by 74.4mm by 8.5mm and weighs 205 gram. The screen has a resolution of 1440 by 3168 pixels and 525p pixel density. On camera front, the buyers get a 64MP f/1.8 wide, 16MP f/3.4 periscope telephoto, x5 optical zoom, 48MP f/2.0 ultrawide, 5MP f/2.4 depth camera, and on the rear there's an 64MP plus 16MP plus 48MP plus 5MP camera with features like digital zoom, auto flash, face detection, touch to focus. It is backed by a 4710 mAh battery. Connectivity features in the smartphone include Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, Volt, and more. OnePlus 9 Pro Smart Mobile price is likely to be 52,990 rupees. OnePlus 9 Pro is speculated to be launched in the country on March 2021, expected. As for the color options, the OnePlus 9 Pro Smart Mobile may come in silver colors. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.